What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy Cool Kicks. We are at the, where the hell are we? The Citadel. We're at the Citadel. It's freaking like 7 something. I think they close at 9 now. So yeah, let's go see what's up with the Nike outlets, see what's going on, guys. All right, it is 7:12, I believe, 7:12 p.m. They close at 9 o'clock. That's the line in front of us. We did get a ticket. She did tell us it's about 25 minutes. Let's see what happens, you guys. All right, about 20 minutes. Did you get those here? Oh, okay. I was like, this, okay. All right, cool. Let's see what's up, you guys. See what's up. It is, I've only been here, what, 2 or 3 times since COVID started, so yeah, let's see what we got. All right, not too many empty slots. Start with the 10.5, you guys. All right, we're starting off with a couple interesting things. To be able to get these for 30% off and 20% off. Wow, because that drops down to $140, and then you get $28 off of that. So yeah, 120 something, not too bad. 122, I think. Wow, both size 10.5. Kobe fast fits, not bad. Looks like this is the one for this one right here, I think. Yeah. That's funny that someone just left them there. Dang, oh, look at this. $139.99, and then you get 30% off. Wow. 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 Got these in size 11. These are going for $100, so 30% off. That's what, 70, and then, wow. You get another 20 off of that, dang. I think I'm gonna pass though, man. All right, so $100, you guys. Minus 30%, minus 20%, $56. Dang, I just lost my wallet. I don't even have my debit card with me. I got only on my credit card. I'm thinking about it. I'm thinking about it, guys. Let's see. Got some Air Max Zeros, go for $90, size 11. Got another one of those. Got a few of those for $100. Okay. All right. Apparently this is in the wrong section. Got some KD11s, size 8, going for $80. This spot, everything is kind of mixed around because there's just so much traffic here. 10.5, if we're gonna find the 2's going for $110. Witness 3's going for $58. Metcon $60, it's 11.5. Size 11 KD Tray 5s. KD Tray 5 7s, yeah, going for $50. Dang, so they do have a bunch of these. Oh, this is size 12 as well. They got them in size 12. I've seen a few size 11s as well. Size 12, $100 for these bad boys. These are size 11. The PCG's going for $120. What the heck? The pricing stuff is just so interesting. These are going for, these are the Air Zoom BB NXTs going for $180. Go for retail price. I just don't understand that. There's some Air Max 90s all black. Oh, it's a 6 wide going for $70. Not seeing much else. This is the Bigfoot area right here, you guys. Size 13s. Yeah, not much. Got these Metcon. Oh, why did I think these were Metcons? Got the Flyknit React 2s going for $55. That's actually a really good deal. Evernons, wannabe Air Force Ones, Jordan 1 lows, 14, size 14, going for retail. There's no way that's retail. All right, we're going to the smaller size, you guys. 10 and under, 170 for the LeBron Command Force. Yeah, you did get those extra discounts. Dang, so like I'm not really finding much. The two really big finds, the Air Max 90s as well as the Kobe's. Not really finding much else, you guys. You got the LeBrons, these are size 10. Yeah, go for retail $200. Air Max 200s go for $60. What are these going for? The Daybreak size 11 go for $90. What the heck? Size 9 now. We got another one of these. Oh, do you got another one of these? A Kobe, but the blue ones, size 9 go for $200 though. These are, I was like, what are these? Some Flyknits. Free Flyknits go for $80, size 9. Dang, bunch of LeBrons, you guys, size 8 and size 9. Those are the Command Forces. Another one of these, $100. Oh, that's size 8, $100 with the extra discount, so $56. That's hell of good. Not really finding much else, you guys, just not much. KD 13, size 8, going for $80. These are the Jordan Zoom Trunners. Going for $150. What the heck? Actually, don't look bad. Got a smaller one, size 8, going for $100. It says 120, but I'll bet it's $100. Then last one, Aerospace 720s, $150 for these, size 7. Gonna start with the owls. I guess this is a Jordan owl. This is the Jordan Max R2, KD 13s, retail. What the? Didn't we see this for $50 at the clearance center? Yeah, don't get them here, guys. What the? Man, alright, I guess that's not too bad. 129. Got the LeBron. This is the up-tempo colorway of the LeBrons. A $110. That's not too bad, I guess. Got the Kyrie 6 glows. Got the LeBrons right here. Serious? What the hell's wrong with it? Long date, guys. We do have the Kobe NXDFFs right here. Going for regular price though, kind of expensive. More retail? What the heck? What's up with all this stuff going for retail? The React Terra Gogs. The Odyssey Rec Planet 2s. That's such a good price. Pegasus 36, the Team Bank colorway. Pegasus 35. What? To be able to get this for 20% off by using that coupon? That's what's up. Oh, let me post this on Instagram right now. That's what's up. They do have size 9, 10, 11, 12s. Dang, they got 10.5, 9.5 too. Not bad. Not bad at all. Air Max 200s. 720s right here. Air Max 720s. We got some more of the Air Max 90s right here. 270 Reacts. The Prestos. More Prestos, you guys. Air Max 2 Lights. And these Element Reacts. That's about it, you guys. That's the aisle. So they do have 3 dope things. They got these right here. This is the dopest thing, I think, especially for that 20% off. Oh, it does look like it's a B grade. But most of the times, there's really nothing wrong with the B grades. Like, nothing visible that you could see. But yeah, $90 to be able to get these for 20% off. That's freaking dope. And then the Kobe's and then the Air Max 90s. I think those 3 are the dopest things here. Let's go see what's up upstairs real quick. Women's section, you guys. Oh, gosh. There's nothing, you guys. There's nothing. Pegasus Turbo 2s going for regular price. Size 7s. Got a bunch of these free run fly nets. Going for $55. Got these in almost every size. See, that's what I'm saying. Got the Vomeros going for $100. That's a size 8. Air Max Correlates. Size 8.5 going for $70. Dude, just not much at all, you guys. Really. We're gonna check out the aisles. Even in the aisles, you guys, they got the Pegasus 34s from what, 3 years ago? Dang. Then they got more of these free fly nets. Dang, just not good stuff. And it's like this in every aisle. The Nike Free Trainer 8s. Some more of those. Just every aisle's just filled with just not so great stuff. The Air Max Baratellas, the Air Max Bella Trainer 2s. Man, just garbage, you guys. All right, let's go back downstairs. All right, we are going back down, you guys. Let's check out a little bit of the apparel, see what's going on. And yeah, we'll wrap it up. First thing I saw this actually before I went up. Paris G shirts, you guys. I love this shirt. Super dope. Got the Paris G emblem right there. That's the part I'm not digging. $35 right there, even with the 20% off coupon. Still only what, $7 off, so that's still $27.50. A little too much for a shirt because I'm kind of too cheap. But yeah, let's look around. Damn, we really do have a lot of Jordan gear, like sweatshirts, t-shirts. Let's look around, dude. I'm really curious. We've seen these at a few spots now. These are going for $25 a piece. Not too bad. Normally they go for what, $40? $25 for those t-shirts as well. These Jordan 1 long sleeve shirts go for $25. Oh, these sweatpants go for $50. That's a little pricey. Normally $75. Huge fan of this t-shirt. Go for $25. Use the 20% off coupon. Brings it down to $20. I think I picked mine up for $15 though. Got the red ones. Also got a regular Jordan t-shirt. Jordan sweatshirts going for $50. These t-shirts go for $25. Alright, I think I'm not really feeling any of the stuff here. I think I'm gonna go back to the clearance center, get stuff for my winners, for my 2 giveaway winners tomorrow, and yeah. Do got the Ram stuff. Go for retail though. That's a long sleeve shirt. Got the sweatshirt. $45, $70 retail prices. Graphic tees, got plenty of that stuff. 2 for $25. Look at the ACG t-shirt, you guys. $20. Then you get another 60% off. Holy crap. So these are going for what, $8 a piece? Dang. I'm not digging that color though, but the shirt is a very, really good material, super thick. This is the same price, same deal as well. You got an ACG vest. This is 60% off, $75, dang. Normal price is $150 though, so wow. All right, we're gonna wrap it up, you guys. Gonna wrap it up. I was actually about to hit up Adidas. This is the longest line I've ever seen at Adidas, and they close in a little bit. So yeah, we're not gonna be able to do it, you guys. All right, they are closing up, you guys. What a day, man. I think we hit up, what, 5 outlets? Dang. All right, let's wrap it up.